Hi, this is Sanjana from Tuteways, and in this video, we're going to talk about the magical rule of Bodmas. So yesterday, my friend and I were solving this question. However, we both got different answers. She got the answer as 180, but I got the answer as 90. So how do we decide who is correct and who is not? To help us with this confusion, we have the magical rule of Bodmas. Bodmas is an acronym that tells us in what sequence we have to do our arithmetic operation. In case I have a question like this in which there are multiple operations, division, addition, subtraction, etc., we use the rule of Bodmas to know in which order or in which sequence we have to do those operations. So the B in Bodmas stands for brackets. The O stands for order or exponents. The D stands for division. The M stands for multiplication. The A stands for addition. And the S stands for subtraction. So if I follow the rule of Bodmas, I will do my multiplication first and then I will do my addition. So if I apply and then I find out the answer, multiplying first, 15 times 3 is 45. And then doing my addition, my answer would be 90. That means I was correct and my friend was wrong. She was wrong because she probably did the operations in whatever order they appeared. That means she must have added them first. 45 plus 15 is 60 and then multiplied, that is 180. This, however, is incorrect because it does not apply the rule of Bodmas. The rule of Bodmas is very important because no matter where you are in the world and what question you are doing, we all must get the same answer. Yeah, so let's try another question. Let's look at this question, which says 4 cubed divided by 2 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. So if I do this, I have to do, there are no brackets, but there is an exponent or order. So I have to do that first. 4 cubed is nothing but 64 divided by 2 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. After that comes my division. That means I divide first. 64 divided by 2 is 32 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. 32 plus 6 times 3 minus 1. I'll go on to my multiplication. 32 plus 18 minus 1. I have to do my addition first. 32 plus 18 gives me 50. And then finally subtraction, which will give me the answer 49. However, now, if I just modify my question a little bit, and let's say that I put this bracket, let us see if my answer gets altered. So again, applying the rule of Bodmas, I have to do the bracket first. That means 4 cubed divided by 2 plus 6, 8 times 3 minus 1. 4 cubed is 64 because order, divided by 8 times 3 minus 1. Moving on to my division. 64 divided by 8 is 8 times 3 minus 1. Again, my multiplication I'll do first. 8 times 3 is 24 and minus 1 will give me the answer as 23. So just adding on a little bracket changes the answer completely. We go from 49 without brackets to 23 with brackets. So I hope you remember this very important rule of Bodmas and apply it whenever you come across multiple operations. I hope to see you soon.